What's up, YouTube? It's Chris Campbell from Sacred Science and K-Dog Forge. Got this. It is 68 layers. We're going to make this happen. Very, very happy. Today, I'm going to start the last weld and triple stack. Start by get it ground flat. Make sure I don't have any cold shuts that I can see. Get it clean and bring this up to, it's going to be 204 layers. And so let's get to work. Blade is heat treated. I ground just a little bit off so I can see, and you can see in the oil that the pattern is showing quite a bit through with the scale and whatnot that's there. And if you look, it's a ladder pattern. Looks like it came out very, very nicely. I don't know if you can be seen or not on video, but it's definitely got that ladder pattern. So it worked out. Successful ladder pattern. All I gotta do is finish up the grind, put the handle on, and do all my finish work. So just a few more hours. Very nice, very stoked. It's looking good, and the design, you know, it's growing on me. I don't know. I think it's all right. I didn't like it at first, but you know, it's custom, so you do what the customer wants. But it's definitely growing on me. I kind of dig it. I changed a few things just to make it more, you know, more badass looking. And now it looks, it's got the angle coming down. It's very angular, and with the grind, it's going to look. I think I got an angle here, an angle here. I think that it's going to look kind of cool overall when it's done. So, time to temper. All right, and there it is. It is ready to go into the acid. So let's go do that. Very excited. Down to 1,000 grit, which is about what I want when I make Damascus. Nice, smooth, clean finish. I gotta wash all the oils off, and then it goes into the oil, or into the acid, excuse me. Once I wash all the oils, it'll go into the acid. Otherwise, the oil will block the acid. This is gonna look phenomenal. Ladder pattern kitchen knife. Sweet. What's up? We are ready for the big reveal. So, let me get a little piece of 1000 grit for the sanding. Check. Let's see how the ladder pattern looks. Very exciting. Oh my. I'm gonna give that a big extra thumbs up. Holy shit. What a good looking blade. All right, let's go do some sanding. There are a few things more wonderful than making quality Damascus. All right, the big reveal. Boom. Look at that ladder pattern. Came out fantastic using just the press. Oh, that makes me so excited. Bang, 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 bang. Oh my God, what a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Let's look at the other side. Same thing. Boom, 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 boom. Ladder pattern straight down the blade. That is just fantastic. Alright, YouTube. Time for the handle. So I got it set up. African Ebony. Yep. Probably put the other way. That works for me. African Ebony. Starts with brass. And then I've got some elk antler. So got that in. You have the brass, elk antler. I've got yellow spacer of G10. Copper, and a red spacer of G10. It's thin, but it's a nice subtle accent. And then we go with the African Ebony. I gotta tighten up this ebony a little bit, but we're about to do the glue down, get it all tight, put the pin in, and start shaping. Just finishing up putting the edge on these two knives. Very nice. Yep. This is what I call a finished knife. I'm going to polish up the little, the compound from it, and put a little polish on the handle with some oil, and it is complete, finished, and beautiful. I'm so excited about this knife. Just stunning. And of course, with that thin of edge, it just shaves the hair right off. Beautiful, wonderfully done, very happy. 204 layers, ladder, Damascus.